Hello, what is up everyone, RL57 here, back with it, another diecast car video, and today we have the monster truck Boneshaker, the Hot Wheels monster truck Boneshaker here. So yeah, this is number 3, hold on, number 3 out of 6 from Hot Wheels Champion Crashers. So yeah, let's take a look at the back here. So his name is Boneshaker, truck type hot rod, skull grind and grill, skull smackdown. So yeah, there's the list of cars that came with the set. Pause if you want to check that out, and yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So crashable car, and basically the monster truck itself. So yeah, here it is, the monster truck itself, the Boneshaker. So this is basically made from I guess the Hot Wheels mainline version. Boneshaker is known throughout mainline for a bunch of times. Basically a fantasy casting that debuted it in mainline, and then it reached to the 5-packs, and then entered the haulers, the truck haulers, the car with the truck, that one, and then it reached car culture once or twice if I'm not mistaken, and then basically is in monster trucks, which is quite cool. So Boneshaker has a lot of history to itself basically, especially when it was back in mainline, and it still is, by the way, just that there's many variations of it obviously. But yeah, let's go ahead and check the car itself. Oops, there you go. So yeah, here is the Boneshaker itself. So the rims are quite different this time. Normally you would see black, not rims, sorry, the wheels. Normally they came with the black wheels, or maybe even like, I don't know, brown sometimes. But this one, it came in this yellowish gold sort of kind of rubber tires, and then you have the chrome red rims right there with some black as well in there. Pretty cool. Moving on to oh sorry, I didn't show you the side. Here's the side. You can see the skull right there on fire actually. Monster trucks at the rear fender right there, pretty nice. And then you have the exhaust pipes right there from the side, and even from the hood right there, which I will show you in a bit. You can see from the front you have the skull right there, the skull face right there, and yeah, nothing much else. Moving on to the hood, you have some more flames right there, and then you have even the exhaust pipes right there on the hood. So yeah, here's the other side. It says Hot Wheels, and then it has some flames. Oh yeah, the right side has no Hot Wheels, whereas the other side has a Hot Wheels logo, which is quite interesting. The back is quite empty as well. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the roof. The roof has the skull similar to this side of the Boneshaker, which is quite cool. The base is sort of in this black color, and then yeah, basically the this part right here is in similar color to the wheels of the car, which is quite cool. Obviously made in Thailand, as you can see right there. Let me show you there. So yeah, it did came in with a crushable car, which I'll show you in a bit. But yeah, there you go. That's the Boneshaker right there on the turntable again. So you might be wondering where's the crushable car. Let me just show you. Here it is, the crushable car. I don't remember what's the specific casting of this. It's basically mainly from mainline, but I'm not entirely sure what it is. But still, it looks pretty neat. It is in this sort of blue. Pretty cool, and nonetheless, seems like a pretty good monster truck as well. Once again, yeah, it is such a nice car. I mean, basically the Boneshaker came in various colors as well, not just specifically in this color. They had the black body with the black wheels, and then they had the orange body with, I believe, black rims. I mean black wheels as well, I think. And they had several colors as well. But yeah, overall this one seems okay and pretty nice. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you on my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.